Important questions of political science. What is the difference between power, authority, and legitimacy? Whether the retired police officer has a power to punish the wrong ones. If one entered on the no entry road, then what kind of the punishment has to be given? Which theory of punishment is applicable in this case? What do you think about the capital punishment, whether it is essential or not? Give two examples of the reformative theory of punishment. In which crimes the compensation theory cannot be applicable? What would be happen if there is a no obedience in a state? On what ground do you support the political obligation? Can you oppose or disobey the government orders? If yes, then which mean you will express your disobedience? Give any two examples of the means suggested by the Mahatma Gandhi are used to oppose the government today. What do you mean by individualism? What is humanism? Which principles of socialism have been adopted for the Indian society? And in which provision of the Indian constitution they are expressed? State any two difference between liberalism and socialism. What is materialism? Why the materialism is one of the basis of utilitarianism? Which thought of Karl Marx do you think useful for the Indian society? Why did the Karl Marx regarded as the religion as the opium? Drawback of the theory of surplus value. State the two differences between Karl Marx and Gandhi. What is the difference between the direct democracy and indirect democracy? What measures can you suggest to make the Indian democracy powerful? What will you study in this subject? Suggest your opinion on this subject, political science 2. So these are all the important questions of the political science. Just go through all these questions